Blessed evening, everyone. We have all gathered here to be part of the wonderful celebration of love of the two persons who are so dear to us. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Charo and Charlie's wedding party! Alright, pumalakpak po ang lahat na excited for tonight! Let me introduce myself, guys. So, I am host Aryu. So, in Tagalog, ako po si host Aryu. Ako po ang magiging MC ninyo for this evening's wedding celebration. Pwede po ba kayong tumingin sa inyong katabi? Tingin po sa katabi. Pakitignan po ang inyong katabi at bigyan niyo po ng magandang ngiti ang inyong mga katabi. Sabay sabi sa kanya, "You look so wonderful tonight." Alright guys, I would like to let you know that Jaro and Charlene and their family are so delighted that all of you are here tonight. And because your presence is very important in our newlywed couple, we would like to let you know, guys, that in our heart, we want to see everyone from the start up to the end of our program.